Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome back to EVS class. Today we are going to complete the textbook exercises. Children, this is page number 41 in your EVS textbook. So now we'll do fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, listen carefully and say the answer. Okay, listen carefully and say the answer. Our home keeps us dash. Our home keeps us, say, our home keeps us, our home keeps us safe. So write, children, learn, children. Don't have textbooks, I know that. Learn. Our home keeps us safe. S-A-F-E, safe. Our home keeps us safe. S-A-F-E, safe. Say with me, our home keeps us safe. Next one. Second one. A home made of mud, straw and bamboo is called a dash. A home made of mud, straw and bamboos is called a dash. What, children? Say mud, straw and bamboo we are using constructing the house. What is that house? Kacha house. Kacha house. You should remember all the points. Kacha house. K-A-C-H-C-H-A. Kacha. K-A-C-H-C-H-A. Kacha. H-O-U-S-E house. H-O-U-S-E house. Kacha house. Third one. A people living along the river banks or in the lakes live in a dash. People living along the river banks or in the lakes live in a dash. Where they live? They live in houseboats. They live in houseboats. So H-O-U-S-E house, B-O-A-T boat. H-O-U-S-E house, B-O-A-T boat. Fourth one. We welcome our guests in the dash room. We welcome our guests in the dash room. In which room we welcome our guests? Said already. We'll sit with them and talk with them. In which room? Say living room. We welcome our guests in the living room. We welcome our guests in the living room. L-I-V-I-N-G living. L-I-V-I-N-G living. Living room. Fifth one. Fifth one. Big independent houses are called big independent houses are called dash. What? Big independent house we are calling as bungalow. Big independence we are calling as bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W bungalow. Say big independent houses are called bungalows. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W-S. S also should write here. Okay. Next, sixth one. An igloo has a dash-shaped roof. I explained. An igloo has a dash-shaped roof. If you listen carefully, you can say the answer. An igloo has a dash-shaped roof. Dome-shaped roof. An igloo has a dome-shaped roof. D-O-M-E dome. D-O-M-E dome. An igloo has a dome-shaped roof. Seventh one. A house made up of solid snow is an dash. Listen carefully. A house made up of solid snow is an dash. What, children? Made up of solid snow is an igloo. I-G-L-O-O igloo. House made up of solid snow is an igloo. Fill in the blanks. These are fill in the blanks. Learn all these spellings carefully, children. Learn all safe spelling. Kacha house, houseboat, living bungalow, dome, igloo. All these spellings learn. Okay, children? Children, this is page number 42 in your EVS textbook. See what the heading they given here. What the heading they given. Name the different rooms in your house where you can. Name the different rooms in your house where you can entertain your guests. If you want to entertain your guests, means you want to sit with them, you want to talk with them, you want to enjoy with them. So in which room you'll sit. If you want to entertain your guest, say. What is the answer? What is the answer? Living room. If you want to entertain our guests, you'll sit them in living room. Living, living. ROOM, room. Living room. Living, living. ROOM, room. Living room. Next one. Take a bath. Where will you take bath? Take a bath. Which room will you use? Bathroom. BATH. Bath. ROOM, room. Bathroom. Take a bath. Bathroom. Next one. Sleep. Where you'll sleep? Sleep. Where you'll sleep? Bedroom. BED. Bed. ROOM, room. Bedroom. Where will you sleep? Bedroom. BED. Bed. ROOM, room. Bedroom. Eat your meals. Where you'll eat your meals? Where you'll eat? Dining room. Where you'll eat? Dining room. DINING. Dining. ROOM, room. Dining room. DINING. Dining. ROOM, room. Dining. So, page number 42 in your EVS textbook. Okay, children, see the heading. Read the heading. Put right or wrong against the following statements. You should keep right or wrong against the, here they given some statements. If it is right, you have to keep the right mark. If it is wrong, you should keep the wrong mark. Okay. We should clean our house every day. Right or wrong? We should clean our house every day. What do you do? Right. So we have to keep the right mark. This is right statement now. We should clean our house every day. Regularly, morning and evening, compulsory. When it's looking dirty, you should clean that house. So it is right statement. That's why I'm keeping right mark here. Next, listen second one. Garbage should be thrown on the road or in the streets. We should throw the garbage on the road or in the streets. On the roads only we should throw the garbage. See, listen carefully. Understand the sentence. Garbage should be thrown on the road or in the streets. Is it right statement or wrong statement? Say, it is wrong statement. It is wrong statement. That's why we are keeping wrong mark. Next, third one. Wash basin and toilet must be cleaned properly. Wash basin and toilet must be cleaned properly. Yes or no? Right or wrong? This is right. So we are giving right mark. We are giving right mark. Next one, fourth one. We should keep our clothes and toys at a proper place. We should keep our clothes and toys at a proper place. Right or wrong? So it is a right statement. So we are keeping right mark. Okay? Learn all these statements, children. Children, this is page number 43 in your EVS textbook. See, read the heading. Given below are things. Given below are the things that are used to keep our house clean. We are using these things to keep our house clean. Identify and name them. Identify and name them. Okay, we have to identify these things. Okay, what is this? Cloth. CLOTH, cloth. We should write cloth. This is bucket. Cloth and bucket. So we have to write cloth, bucket. CLOTH, cloth. BUCKET, bucket. Cloth and bucket. So we are using these things to keep our house clean. So here also they given things. What are these things, children? Say this. They say their names. Brooms. What are these? Brooms. So you have to write here brooms. BROOMS, brooms. BROOMS, brooms. See the next picture. What are these things, children? Napkins. What are these things? Napkins. NAPKINS, napkins. NAPKINS, napkins. Next, what is this picture, children? See this picture. Say the name. What is this? Toilet cleaner. Toilet cleaner. TOILET, toilet. TOILET, toilet. CLEANER, cleaner. CLEANER, cleaner. This is toilet cleaner. Okay. So next one. What is this, children? Phenyl. This floor cleaner. What is this? Floor cleaner. FLOR floor. CLEANER cleaner. Floor cleaner. FLOR floor. CLEANER cleaner. Floor cleaner. Okay, children. Next, here they given some brushes. What are these brushes? Toilet brushes. We are cleaning toilets with these brushes. Toilet brushes. TOILET toilet. TOILET toilet. BRUSHES brushes. BRUSHES brushes. So these are all things we are using to keep our house clean. See, this boy is saying, I always keep my house clean. This boy is saying, always keep my, I always, he's telling, I always keep my house clean. You also say like that. You have to also say like that. I will also keep my house clean. You all have to do your house clean all the time. You have to help to your mother for cleaning the house. Okay, children? Children, now I'll give you one assignment. Learn and write fill in the blanks one time. In first slide I said no already. Fill in the blanks I said no. That fill in the blanks should write one time with question and answer. Write neatly, children, and send to me. Learn and write. Learn and write fill in the blanks one time. Okay, children? Children, learn all the textbook part. Okay? Thank you.